Here in the energy capital of the world, tens of thousands of Estonians work on oil rigs, factories, and plants. But there is a deadly danger out there that most of us have never even heard of, something so harmless looking, yet it can cause horrific explosions and fires. Channel 2 Investigates' Bill Spencer shows you the problem with dangerous dust.
Coast Guard got word that the vessel has gone under.
Industrial explosions, whether in a factory, on an oil rig, or a massive manufacturing plant, when they happen, they can be devastating, turning a workplace into a war zone.
There's going to be catastrophic effects leading to deaths.
There are many causes, but one hidden danger facing millions of American factory workers is something most of us would never even dream of. It's called combustible or dangerous dust. Dust that builds up on pipes, in between machines, on conveyor belts, and if it finds an ignition source, can explode into flames. Even something as seemingly harmless as powdered coffee creamer.
You could even have metal filings, flour, sugar, powders.
In February 2008, a massive explosion killed 14 people and injured dozens more at the Imperial Sugar Plant near Savannah, Georgia, all fueled by accumulations of sugar dust that plant officials had ignored throughout the building.
14 people died, 38 people were injured. It was completely preventable.
Now, to show you just how dangerous combustible dust can be and how fast it can burn, we set up a test with the industrial hazard specialists at the OCS group. Using simple household coffee creamer, we pour a small amount over an engine that's on fire and watch. As you can see, in powder form, combustible dust can burn like gasoline. Other sources of dangerous dust include sugar, flour, coal, aluminum, plastics, and organic chemicals.
Now, a company called OCS, Offshore Commissioning Solutions, located right here in Houston, is helping other companies identify the sources of this dangerous dust and how to eliminate them.
This conductor is out of its terminal block.
The OCS group inspects plants, factories, and oil and gas operations, looking for sources of dangerous dust accumulations, ignition sources, and other hazards, and then trains the workers to wipe them out.
We want to be able to save lives. That's all we want.
All told, there have been more than 200 dangerous dust explosions over the past 35 years, killing more than 100 people. For more information about dangerous dust, where it occurs, and what the government is doing about it, we've included a special video from the U.S. Chemical Safety Board on our website, clicktohouston.com, under the Investigates page. I'm Bill Spencer, KPRC, Channel 2 Investigates.